We're here at Pepperwood Preserve, a 3,200-acre nature preserve and ecological institute dedicated to stewarding the lives and animals here on the preserve, as well as educating our community about science-based conservation and research.
When Pepperwood discovered iNaturalist, we realized it was the perfect tool for us to use with our local volunteers who function as citizen scientists here on the preserve, assisting professors from the University of California, Stanford, and other universities in long-term ecological monitoring here.
Looks like we have a St. Helena morning glory. So I'm going to take an observation with this and upload it to iNaturalist.org.
Our ecological monitoring goals include measuring the occurrences of different species on the preserve, and using iNaturalist, we've been able to make over 1,200 observations our first year, which captured 500 unique species on site here. So collecting this information over time will help us to understand what are the factors that influence the health of the species populations here on the preserve.
When I first heard about the iNaturalist program, I realized it was something that I'd been looking for as long as I can remember. Because even as a small child, I've always liked nature. And this way I can provide information to people. There's a really nice networking system where you can communicate with people, and I can see what they're doing, and I'm learning so much in the way of identifying plants and animals that if you don't know what it is, you put it in the system and there's almost always somebody very quickly willing to say, that's what it is. And it's like so much fun. I can't tell you, and I would advise anybody to do it. It's just really cool.
We started our own project page on the website called Pepperwood Vital Signs Project. It's available on our Facebook page, iPhones, Android phones, and our Pepperwood website.
It's been really wonderful to work with the iNaturalist team to have them help us develop a project that allows us to store the information in a way that's helpful for us, and then also to display it as an educational opportunity.
We've had elementary school students, high school students, college students, grandparents. Everyone comes together to help us with data collection.
One of the great things about setting up an iNaturalist project is that the team that sets up the project can use the data for their own purposes, but at the same time, we're sharing data collected here with other projects that are operating around the globe. And so the same observation is used for multiple projects. Using iNaturalist creates a glue that holds together our volunteer community and creates new opportunities for them to interact and share their discoveries.
We're finding that we're getting a lot of really useful data, and it's a great way for people to get out on the preserve and explore and open their eyes to things that they've never seen before.